Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. I had to make a video on that. Did not cover it yesterday because there practically was not much movement. In this video, we actually have something to talk about again, which is always nice. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a full overview of what to expect from Dogecoin right now. We'll talk about whether we can actually expect some sort of a move up, which the short answer is yes, but we do need to do some things, and we'll talk about that. But in general, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. It's Christmas today. I mean, I'm recording it at the day of Christmas. I mean, later today I'll be gone. But I thought for those of you who are still interested in Dogecoin on a beautiful day like today, wanted to make an update. So that's what we'll do. Well, yesterday morning not much was going on, but yesterday we actually did have some movements for Dogecoin specifically as well. I must say, I mean, if we, and this is normal, right? So I'm not saying this to kind of scare you, but I must say, if we look at Dogecoin specifically, we had some moments where the volume was actually increasing, and the volume has been quite stable, right? I mean, it's down 11% from yesterday, but that is, considering the circumstances and considering the time of the year, that's actually quite good. But in general, I mean, the volume is also low. I mean, if you compare this volume to the last month, it is very low. It's not as low as it was the 15th of December when it was super low. But last 2 months, this is like the second lowest point it has been. And it could still drop down lower. However, the positive development that we had yesterday, and that's obviously much nicer to talk about, is that I think altcoins actually did do some nice recovery. All right, and the same goes for Dogecoin. I mean, what you can see is that initially we actually had a very strong touch from this level here between 30 and 28 cents. Strong touch. After that, we dropped back down a bit. There was not a lot of momentum, and then even when altcoins started to perform a bit better at the start of the week, Dogecoin was still lagging behind. But now you can clearly see that also Dogecoin, even though there's no real volume behind it, but even Dogecoin has also structurally started to move up a little bit more. And those are all signs of this being a strong bottom, right? And that's what we want. I mean, it seems unlikely right now, in my eyes, that Dogecoin is going to rally. Because if we want a Dogecoin rally, there's two things we need for sure. That's volume and that's momentum. And we lack both, right? So that is not a possibility right now. We can move up higher, but really rallying like we did in November and also at some parts in December, unlikely. But like I said, I'm much more confident that this is actually the bottom, not only for Dogecoin and the technical confirmations that we got from Dogecoin specifically, but also looking at the total 3, which is basically the altcoin market. This could still turn into a consolidation, but that's fine. All right, if Dogecoin consolidates here, then we will hold a level at 27.5 and 28 cents, and then it's just a matter of time before we actually do gain enough momentum again, so that we can actually break above 38 cents down the line and get back into the high 40s. So I would say that's most likely right now. All right, that will consolidate. Now we are still figuring out where the consolidation will take place and where we will find some sort of a structure. What I think is interesting is this level right here at 34 cents. If Dogecoin is actually, and it looks like it's trying to do that, I would even go as far as saying I think that's most likely. If we're able to break above 34 cents, we can actually move up higher into like 36, 37, and then find resistance there and then consolidate like this, right? But that is actually still a pretty decent move of about 10%. So that is something to keep your eyes on over the course of today. Like I said, I actually think this is most likely. I think we'll move up a little bit more here, break above the main resistance at 34 cents, get that retest, and then consolidate a little bit more between 36 and 31 cents. And then eventually, like I said, and I'll keep you updated on that, eventually we can break out of that consolidation as well. But for now, I'd say that's most likely, right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about Dogecoin right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.